I just picked up my 6 queens from the Bee Supply in Blue Ridge that I ordered a few months ago. And when you're ordering queens in the winter, you never really know how many you're gonna need come spring. Well, it turns out this year I ordered 6 and I absolutely need exactly 6. So I'm gonna install these queens into my hives. This is one of the types of cages that a queen bee that you purchase might come in. So you see there's candy right here and there's a cork here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave them to where they have to eat through the candy to get to the queen, so it gives them a few days to get used to each other, so they're more likely to accept her. Also, I don't know how well you can see it, but in there the queen is marked with a red dot on her back. The color of the dot corresponds to the year that she was raised. So this red, maybe it's pink, I don't know. That's for years that end in 3. It's different, there's 5 different colors that they use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe there's 6. Anyway, so we're gonna get these queens put in. We came out yesterday and smushed the queen of this hive and another one that we're going to be replacing today. And the reason for that is we wanted the bees to be ready to accept another queen. The queens that we smushed were really underperforming. The hives barely limped through winter, and so we want to put in a fresh new queen to give them a great start for the spring. I'm going to install this queen on one of the middle frames, right in the middle of the hive. In case you're wondering about this strange tool, this is not a hive tool. I forgot to pick up a hive tool before I left the barn. This is a hori-hori knife that's normally for gardening, but it's very versatile, so I'm using it as a temporary hive tool. See that they're very interested in the queen, but they don't seem to be attacking her in mass. They desperately want a new queen, I think. I think the other one wasn't doing very well. So we're going to put this here into the hive and we'll come back and check it in a few days. Okay, I'm back out here Wednesday, whatever the next Wednesday is, I don't know about the dates. And this is the first time I've checked them because I had COVID in the meantime. I came down with COVID later that day that I made that video, made the rest of this video. And here I'm going to show you. Let's see here. I just saw the queen. Where is she? I see drones. And this is a very dark frame, but I see that it is full of eggs. So we have a laying queen, which is fabulous. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can show you the queen. I just saw her, but queens are shy. They don't like to be seen. And I'll try one more frame and see if she's in there. That is all pollen, which is great. Not going to get to show you the queen. Trust me, I did see her. She is in here and she is laying. So that's great.